everybody, what's up? If you want to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file legally, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You can go to youtube.com for that on your browser, type in YouTube and go to youtube.com there. And once you are in youtube.com, what you may do is basically go ahead and look out for your profile in the top right corner and select it. And within here, look out for your YouTube studio and click on it. And next is your YouTube studio right there. And once you are there, you can find different options on your left hand side. You need to scroll down and go to the section for audio library and click on it. And within audio library here, you'll be finding different free music in the MP3 version. Now you can just go over and preview those music right there. So in order to preview it, you can just go over and play it up and you can see the preview right here. If you're okay with the music, what you need to do is basically look out for this download icon right here, or you can go to the music and select this option of download right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, the download should be done very quickly. It takes about some few seconds only, and you can find the file location. You can open it up and you should be finding your MP3 file of your music available on your screen very easily. And that is it, everybody. This is the method you can follow. You can search for the track title you would like to download and follow the same process, and you should be able to do it very easily. So that's it. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.